I'm going to be unboxing a Z623 Logitech computer sound system. It's 2-channel with a subwoofer. So first out of the box we have the whoops, there's a power cord. Looks like the power cord is attached to something. And we've got a, looks like it's the sound cord. And then under this box here we have the, the 2 speakers. So it looks like we've got some more cords there. So let me go ahead and pull some of those out. So here are the contents of the box. So we have the, looks like a sound cord. Got one of the speakers. It's got its wire. Got the other speaker. It has an attached wire. And then we have the subwoofer itself. And it comes with a little, like a warning type piece of paper. So here are the pieces with the plastic removed. The build quality seems to be very nice. Cabinet on the subwoofer is actually very solid. There are rubber feet on the bottom of the subwoofer, as well as you have this little rubber strip feet on the bottom of each speaker. So next I'll be hooking it up. So let me turn the volume down. I don't have it very loud. I put the subwoofer behind the monitor, so right there's the volume control, so we'll go ahead and turn that down a little bit. Got kind of a cable management nightmare going on right now. So I put the subwoofer back behind the monitor on this particular desk, which works pretty well. And got the right speaker, which the right speaker has the power, volume, and the bass knob. And I had the bass knob turned up just a little bit past the center detent. Seems to have plenty of bass. And there's the left speaker. And so I think I'm going to be actually very happy with this speaker system. It retailed for about $119 at my local Best Buy store before tax. So I would say this is a definite buy for me. I really am impressed with the sound quality.